Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Trax LT all-wheel drive. So for 2021 they got rid of the Premier trim and now the LT all-wheel drive is the top of the line trim. Other changes include some new exterior colors and interior colors and just a couple little updates here and there. Oh, everything's stuck in the seat, that's why. That's that. Go ahead, retract. Perfect. What I'm really surprised at is the amount of rear cargo space. Actual spare tire, which is becoming increasingly rare these days. Rear wiper. Now it will actually work. $24,815 is the total price of this one. And this one is pretty much fully loaded too. Shadow gray metallic is the exterior color. Yeah. Don't have a center console, but you do have this nice armrest. Actual e-brake. Oh, all other Chevys do it, this one doesn't, I guess. Only engine available for the Trax in 2021 is the 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, mated to the 6-speed automatic. You can get the LT in front wheel or all-wheel drive trim. Oh, that's pretty neat. Of course, the Trax is based on the same platform as the Encore. The Encore and the Trax are both based on the same platform that the Chevrolet Sonic used, the first generation of the Sonic. And the Trax has been on sale in the United States since 2015. So I'm thinking they're gonna do a full refresh in the next year or so. I've heard rumors that the Trax is going to be replaced by the Trailblazer. But I think what they're doing is they're selling them alongside to see kind of what the take rates are, if people are taking the Trax over the Trailblazer, and kind of judge it out, which is a pretty smart thing to do rather than just going all in and replacing everything with these new vehicles. I think the Trax's biggest competitor is the car that's directly in front of us, the Ford EcoSport. Both very, very small SUVs, crossovers, lifted cars. What I do love about the Trax is it has a dedicated manual mode. You can start off in 3rd gear if you so desire. And it will shift exactly when you want it to. How's handling? It's actually pretty top heavy. That's something I was kind of surprised about. It's very, very nimble, but it's also quite top heavy. So you can kind of feel it in the steering. But other than, feeling the weight distribution of this vehicle, it still handles really, really well. With that, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.